Work-from-home opportunities abound across diverse fields and interests. If you have spare rooms or a basement, consider renting them out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO to generate passive income. Online tutoring, virtual assisting, freelance writing, transcribing, and social media management are also viable options to earn money from home. For those with exceptional attention to detail, consider transcribing audio to text for payment per audio hour. Freelancers can provide administrative support remotely to clients and find work through social media, networking events, or freelancing websites. Freelance writers can cater to various clients with specialized or broad writing services. Social media management involves engaging with followers and creating content for business accounts. Online surveys provide an easy way to earn money, although they are not highly lucrative. In-home daycare offers the potential to attract a steady client base and can be priced based on a flat daily or weekly rate. For those with a passion for blogging, monetize your personal blog through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Dropshipping is another option, as it allows you to sell products without maintaining an inventory by forwarding orders to suppliers and profiting from price differences between retail and wholesale. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, catering to specific skills or expertise. Online photo sales offer an opportunity to earn money by providing professional quality photographs to stock photo websites. If you're a pet lover, consider offering pet sitting services from your home. Be sure to consider your living situation and insurance before starting this venture. Sell homemade crafts and art on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. When your business is established, consider transitioning to your own website. As a graphic designer, you can provide services to businesses and nonprofits, showcasing your skills with a variety of work samples and charging flat or hourly rates. Proofreaders can correct spelling, grammar, and consistency errors in various texts, marketing their skills through social media or proofreading websites. In summary, work-from-home opportunities are available in a wide range of fields and interests. From room rentals and online tutoring to freelance writing and graphic design, there are numerous options to choose from. With dedication and hard work, you can find a work-from-home opportunity that suits your skills and interests.